In this video, I will show you how to create a Snapchat ads account. Step number 1 is to click on the link down in the description. By doing that, it will take you to this link and you can actually get a pretty cool deal. If you spend $350, you actually get $375 in ad spend for free, which means for every $1, you basically get $1 back that you can then spend on ads for free. So just click on the link down in the description to claim this, and from there click on Get Started. Now here you can then start creating your account, which is quite simple. Just gonna enter your business and profile name, then your email, password and your birthday, or you can continue with Google, which is what I'll do in this case. After doing that, to create your profile, just enter a username. And you can optionally add your website, then just click create account. Now after doing that, it will say creating your accounts. Now here you can add your profile, so you can add a profile photo and a bio. Then here add your business details, such as the country your business is located in, as well as the currency you use. Then optionally you can add your phone number and your VAT or tax ID. I would recommend adding this because then it will be added to the invoices. Then you can choose if you want to be contacted, and check this box if you would like to be informed by email of other great Snap products. Then just click next. Now here you can get the free credits, it's on them, so you can either spend 50 euros and get 75 euros, or you can spend 350 euros and get 375, which is in my opinion the better deal, so I'll just click next. And from there you will have created your account, and now you can start setting up your first campaign. So you can create a new campaign, or if you already have one you can load it, but here just choose what your goal is. For example, if I want to promote my app, I can select that. If I want to make sales, I can select that. From there click next. Now you can do an automatic page view campaign or a manual build. So now just start building out your campaign, and from there you will then be running ads on Snapchat, but now you have at least created your Snapchat ad account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.